Hey guys, welcome back to another session of using technical analysis to find high probability trading setups. All right, so today we're looking at Aussie dollar, right? And the thing I want to highlight about Aussie dollar is that right off the bat, you can see that there's a very strong descending resistance line, right? And it could even be a channel. Let's take a look at that. Yeah, you can see it's a channel, right? So it's a bearish channel that tells us there's bearish momentum. There's bearish momentum on Aussie dollar. Okay, so what can we expect? What can we expect, right? We're looking at market structure here, right? And I notice that price seems to be testing this level. Seems, this was a previous low, right? It seems that it's testing it once again. Okay, so there's a chance that price might actually continue to drop further because as a bearish channel goes, right, you're naturally just dropping lower and lower. Okay, how far can it go? How far can it go? So we're going to see if there are any Fibonacci. 8.6%, definitely one of the key levels to be broken. So I'm going to put this as maybe my sell entry, right? So it depends on how you want to get in. If you want to get in a little bit riskier, you can get in over here. But if you want to wait for this level to be broken, there's a chance that you go all the way down to this support over here, right? So this could be the final take profit, right? There are two kinds of entry. The first entry is if it's over here, you wait for this key 78.6% retracement to be broken, right? The other option is you can short over here and have a tight stop loss, right? So how can we play it, right? If you want to get a good entry, for example, a potential way to do this, right? A potential way to do this is to scale in twice, right? So the first one would be like a support level here. So only if this level is broken can you trigger a bigger move down. All right. So if we have this as our entry, right? If we have this as our entry, our stop loss can ideally, right? Just taking this move down, right? Probably at 20 and 38%. Yes, our stop loss can be, probably give it a little bit more breathing space. I'll probably put it at the 50%. I'll probably put it at the 50%. 50% retracement. Our stop loss could be over here, right? And you can play the move down from here because if price really reverses from here, follows the descending resistance, the descending channel, then we should not see price really go beyond here. Okay, so we should minimally be able to see price go all the way down to here, and this is the setup of the day, right? Remember, guys, trade safe, stay safe, and trade within your limits. Okay, that's it for me. Tune in next week on Monday for another session where we use high probability trading, advanced technical analysis to find high probability trading setups.